Need to experiment with your Stripe integration without processing real money? Stripe's test mode is your best friend for development and debugging. In this guide, I'll show you how to properly set up and utilize the test mode within your Stripe account. Every Stripe account automatically includes a test mode. You don't need to create a separate account for it. To access it, simply log into your Stripe dashboard. In the top left corner, you'll see a toggle switch. Click it to switch from live data to test data. Once in test mode, your dashboard will often display a clear visual indicator, like a yellow banner, to remind you that you're working with test data. All API keys shown will be your test keys, starting with PK_test and SK_test, and any transactions you process will be simulated. Finally, use Stripe's provided set of test card numbers and expiration dates to simulate various scenarios, including successful payments, declines, and specific error codes. This allows you to thoroughly test your payment flow and integrations before going live. And there you have it. Setting up Stripe's test mode is essential for safe development. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.